Okay, from this angle, you could faintly see the outline of the eggs for Brownie there. And little chick is making herself comfortable in this basket. Not sure what she's up to, but she's here nevertheless. As I said, I inspected this basket up to a few hours ago to see if any eggs, both baskets as a matter of fact, and there are no eggs in there. So we will keep a close monitor of it for when Brownie lays at least her first egg that we will know about, and her first egg in this basket. She puts her head down again. There she ups again.